Checking in.
Maya arrives at the airport for her flight to London. The check-in area is busy, and she is worried about time. Daniel, an airline assistant, comes to help her.
I need to catch my flight to London, but the check-in line is very long.
Do not worry. What time is your flight?
It leaves at 10:30. I have only 1 hour.
We can try the self-check-in machine now.
Question. What will Maya and Daniel probably do next? A. They will go to the self-check-in machine. B. They will leave the airport. C. They will buy food first. A. They will go to the self-check-in machine.
Please scan your passport here.
I tried, but the machine says no booking.
Let me see your ticket on your phone.
Here it is. Is something wrong?
Question. What will Daniel probably check next? A. He will close the check-in machine. B. He will ask Maya to go home. C. He will check Maya's ticket details. C. He will check Maya's ticket details.
Your booking is fine. Now we must weigh your bag.
Oh no. It says 24 kilos.
The limit is 23 kilos.
I can take out my jacket and book.
Question. What will Maya probably do with her bag? A. She will remove some things from the bag. B. She will buy a new suitcase. C. She will cancel the flight. A. She will remove some things from the bag.
Now it is 22 kilos. Is that okay?
Yes. Here is your boarding pass and bag tag.
Thank you. What should I do now?
Now we go to security. Keep your passport ready.
At security.
Maya and Daniel reach the security area. Maya must prepare her things quickly, but she is not sure about the rules.
Can I take this water bottle?
No, it is too big for security.
I also have shampoo and cream.
Put small liquids in this clear bag.
Question. What will Maya probably do with her liquids? A. She will drink all the shampoo. B. She will put the small liquids in a clear bag. C. She will hide the bottles in her shoes. B. She will put the small liquids in a clear bag.
Do you have a laptop in your backpack?
Yes, it is inside. Is that a problem?
Please take it out and put it in a tray.
Okay. I hope I am not too slow.
Question. What will Maya probably take out next? A. She will take out a winter coat. B. She will take out her laptop. C. She will take out a pillow. B. She will take out her laptop.
The machine beeped. Did I do something wrong?
It may be your watch. Please take it off.
Oh, I forgot about it.
Try again, it will be fine.
Question. What will Maya probably do now? A. She will remove her watch and try again. B. She will throw away her passport. C. She will run past security. A. She will remove her watch and try again.
I passed security. Great.
Good. But look at the board.
My gate is B12. Is it far?
Yes. A little. We should go now.
Finding the gate.
Maya and Daniel enter the departure terminal. The gate is far away, and the signs are confusing. Maya starts to feel the time pressure again.
There are so many signs. Which way is B12?
B gates are to the left.
Can we get there in time?
Yes. Take the moving walkway with me.
Question. What will they probably use next? A. They will take a taxi inside the terminal. B. They will use the moving walkway. C. They will go outside to the street. B. They will use the moving walkway.
This walkway is slow. Maybe we should walk.
We can walk on it. That is faster.
I hear an announcement, but I cannot understand it.
I will listen. It may be about your flight.
Question. What will Daniel probably do next? A. He will sing a song loudly. B. He will listen to the airport announcement. C. He will open Maya's suitcase. B. He will listen to the airport announcement.
The announcement says the flight is delayed 20 minutes.
Oh, that is good for me.
Yes, but stay near the gate.
Can I buy a small coffee quickly?
Question. What will Maya probably do next? A. She will leave the terminal to shop outside. B. She will buy a small coffee near the gate. C. She will sleep in the bathroom. B. She will buy a small coffee near the gate.
Daniel, the screen changed. It says B16 now.
You are right. The gate has changed.
Is B16 far from here?
Not too far, but we should move now.
A problem at the gate.
Maya and Daniel arrive at the new gate. Boarding is starting soon, but Maya discovers another problem with her carry-on bag.
We made it. This is the correct gate.
Great. What boarding group am I in?
You are in group 3.
They just called group 1. I can breathe.
Question. What will probably happen before Maya boards? A. Maya will board with group 1 immediately. B. Daniel will change the flight city. C. They will wait while earlier groups board. C. They will wait while earlier groups board.
Your carry-on looks a little big.
Really? It fit on my last flight.
Please try the size frame.
Oh no, the wheels are stuck.
Question. What will Daniel probably suggest next? A. He will suggest breaking the wheels. B. He will suggest leaving the bag in the cafe. C. He will suggest checking the bag at the gate. C. He will suggest checking the bag at the gate.
We can check this bag at the gate for free.
But my medicine is inside.
Take your medicine and charger with you.
Good idea. I need them during the trip.
Question. What will Maya probably remove from her suitcase? A. She will remove her medicine and charger. B. She will remove the gate sign. C. She will remove all the airplane seats. A. She will remove her medicine and charger.
Here is the tag. Your bag will go under the plane.
Will I get it in London?
Yes, at baggage claim in London.
They are calling Group 3 now. Boarding time.
Maya joins the boarding line. She is almost ready to enter the plane, but one last small panic begins when she cannot find her passport.
Daniel, I cannot find my passport.
Stay calm. When did you last use it?
At security, I think. Maybe at the cafe.
Check your jacket pocket and phone case.
Question. Where will Maya probably look next? A. She will check her jacket pocket and phone case. B. She will ask every passenger for a new passport. C. She will check inside the airplane engine. A. She will check her jacket pocket and phone case.
Found it. It was in my phone case.
Great. Keep it with your boarding pass.
My heart is beating so fast.
You are okay. Now they can scan your pass.
Question. What will happen to Maya's boarding pass next? A. It will be scanned at the gate. B. It will be used to buy a sandwich. C. It will be thrown in the trash before boarding. A. It will be scanned at the gate.
The scanner is green. You can go in.
Wait, I got a message from my office.
Is everything all right?
Yes. My meeting is tomorrow, not today.
Question. How will Maya probably feel after the message? A. She will feel angry and leave the airport. B. She will feel sleepy and miss the flight. C. She will feel relieved and ready to board. C. She will feel relieved and ready to board.
Thank you, Daniel. You saved my morning.
You did well. Have a good flight to London.
Next time, I will arrive earlier.
Good plan. Now go and find your seat.